Assalamualaikum. In this video I'm going to show that how you can use ampersand sign in your text view in the attribute text of text view. Or you can, if you are using a button in Android Studio, a button, the text over the button can have ampersand. How you can use that I will show you in this video. So let's start. As I have a text view in this project which has text hello world. If I am using here hello and ampersand world, it is showing here, but here you can see that here is a red line of error. He's giving us an exception: hard-coded string hello and word should use @string resource, and here is a red line below ampersand. You can use this if you write here amp. If you write this amp with this, you can use ampersand in your code easily. Now you can see that red line is gone, error is gone, and here is also ampersand remaining. Amp is you can use search on internet for the following special characters to use in your text in Android Studio. Thank you, have fun with it.